Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
10 everyday phrases at a train station. What time? What time does the train leave? At 9:45 from platform 3. Is this the express train? No, it's the local one. Where is the ticket counter? Over there on the right. Which platform for New York? Platform 7. How much? How much is a ticket to New York? It's $35. Does this train stop at Central Station? Yes, in about 20 minutes. Can I reserve a seat? Yes, may I see your ID? Is there a dining car on this train? Yes, 2 cars ahead. How long? How long is the delay? About 15 minutes. Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. More practice. Say the sentences yourself and speak out loud. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page.
All those worksheets, there are hundreds and hundreds of worksheets. Support me on Patreon so I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.